Good morning, students. Let us study the first year intermediate botany topic, the cell. Under this, today we will discuss about the two different types of cells. One is prokaryotic cell and the other one is the eukaryotic cell. Can you see here? What do you observe? This is a structure of a bacterial cell. Bacterial cell is an example for the prokaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell has a outer layer called as cell wall. So can you see the wall-like structure? This will help the cell wall will help in protection. Then you will find plasma lemma or the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a structure which will help in the permeability. That means the layer interacts with the outside world. The movement of the molecules is through the help of this plasma lemma or the plasma membrane. Can you see the flagella? This is the one which will help in the motility of the bacteria. The bacteria will move with the help of the flagella. There is another sharp structures. Can you see on the body of the bacteria? Like the needles, which are some are short, some are long. This is called as pillars. Pillars helps in the reproduction. There is a layer called as the capsule in some bacteria which is present outside on the cell wall. This capsule, if it is present, you call the bacteria as capsulated bacteria. Some bacteria will not have this capsule. So capsule may be present or absent in different kinds of bacteria. Now you have a wall called as cell wall. You have a membrane called as plasma membrane. You have the flagella. Inside this cell wall and the cell membrane, if you see, there is a liquid portion called as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm has the different kinds of structures inside like nucleoid. You do not call this as nucleus because it is not having any envelope inside. So this is just a suspended DNA. Such a type of DNA you are calling it as a nucleoid, not nucleus. So DNA of the bacterium is called as nucleoid in a prokaryotic cell. You also have ribosomes in the bacteria. These will help in protein synthesis. Bacteria requires proteins, so those are synthesized by the ribosomes. Prokaryotic organisms contain 70S type of ribosomes, whereas 80S type of ribosomes are present in the eukaryotic cells. So this is about the prokaryotic cell. See here children, this is the two different kinds of cells. One is the plant cell and the other one is the animal cell. So now if you see the plant cell, how can you say that it is a plant cell and how can you say that it is an animal cell? So there are some differences even between the plant cell and the animal cell. Both the plant cell and animal cell are examples for the eukaryotic type of cells. Both are eukaryotic cells. But there are differences between plant cell and the animal cell. Plant cells are found in the plants. Animal cells are present in the case of animals. Now, each one individually we will see. Here, this is the structure of a plant cell. You can see a big vacuole present inside the plant cell. Can you see a big structure called as vacuole? It is very big in the plant cell. And it is occupying the central region of the cell. Can you see? It is moving the nucleus to the side and it is present in the center. Whereas in the animal cell, you can see here, the vacuole is not present and nucleus is at the center. Other structures are the plant cell contains an outer layer called as cell wall. So see here, where is the cell wall? The outer portion is called as cell wall. See, this is the cell wall. The outer one is the cell wall. Wall, what is the function of a wall? Wall will help in protection. So this wall the plant will help in giving the protection to the plant. It gives the shape also to the plant cell. Then internal to the cell wall, you will have the membrane called as cell membrane. And inside that you will have the cytoplasm. And other things which you will see in the plant cell are, there are microtubules, there are connections called as plasmodesmata, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Can you see, this is the endoplasmic reticulum which is connected to the nucleus. So this big structure is called as nucleus. And ribosomes are present, lysosomes are present. All these are the different structures which are present in the eukaryotic cells. Golgi apparatus, nuclear envelope, the nucleus, that is the DNA is surrounded by a membrane. This is the reason you are calling it as a nucleus. And the plasma membrane which is internal to the cell wall, all these different structures you can see in the eukaryotic cells. If you say plant cell, it will have a big vacuole and a cell wall. This is the main difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Here also in the animal cell you can see the outer cell wall, cytoplasm, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria. All these are present like in plant cell, but what is the major difference? Here the vacuole is very big and here you are not finding that vacuole. And there is a wall which is present in the plant cell, but here you don't find any wall. So cell wall is absent in the animal cell and cell wall is present in the plant cell.